Hi everyone, it's Anne here from Positively Papercraft. Now, I know we're just kind of looking at a white background here, but my new craft room is, well, it is ready and I wanted to share it with you. So I want to show you what it's like. Now, what I might do is put a little picture in somewhere now where what it used to be before, so you can see what it used to be like. But this is what it is now. Now, I have done the whole thing myself and it was hard work, including building this massive, like, what would it be, 1, 2, 3, 5, 20 unit Kallax unit from Ikea. So that came the other day. I had that to build, did that myself. I don't know how I did it, and I put the inserts in. What else did I get? So that was my desks, what I already had before. And then also I've just got these drawers today. They literally just came a few hours ago, so I have just built them. But yeah, this is what it's like now, and I absolutely love it. I just think it's more light, it's more airy, and it's got a better floor, no carpet, so it's easier for cleaning up and stuff. But yeah, absolutely love it. So I'm really pleased with it. Now, I'll quickly give you a little tour around. So I got this. This is like a little trolley cart thing, and I've turned this into like a Sizzix cart. I got this off Amazon, and I've just got like all of my, well, I'm saying all, it's some of the Sizzix stuff, not all of it, but domes, textural cards. Then I have embossing powders, glitters, paints, foil and stuff, and then sequins, gems, and all the texture pastes and whatnot. So I've kept that as a little Sizzix trolley, which I think was quite cute. And then so we come round and I've got just some, like, you know, bits and bobs up the top, the scan and cut and whatnot, and they're like my embellishments. Then I've got these, which are really cool. They're like a really thick acrylic tray. And Sharon Curtis from Sizzix, she was showing some of her craft room, and I saw them and I asked her where they were from, and she told us, so I went and bought them. So I got like 4 of them, and they're perfect to just put your stuff in. So I have like stamps here, which I've made the little dividers, but I haven't labelled them yet. They're all my Sizzix embossing folders, and they were mainly Tim Holtz, and then some of the Sizzix dies, so I've kept them in there. And this one's just embossing folders, bits and bobs. This is papers 6x6, and I got these really cool pockets from AliExpress. I'll put the links if you want them, because I'm obsessed with these pockets. This is Sizzix stuff that I'm working on, because I've got a couple of shows this Tuesday. I've got my Gemini, that is washi tapes. I got a little stand there for my drops, pearl drops. This is a We Are Memory Keepers paper, like acrylic paper thing I bought off a woman on Facebook. So really nice, because they've never been used. And I've got the cupboards that I got here. So this one is some of my Sizzix Bigs dies. This is more dies and plates for the Big Shot. This is just some tins with storage stuff in. This is like a box of like stickers and stuff, chipboard pieces. This one's just got a bit of nothing in, really. I'm still not completely sorted, but I am getting there. This is like mainly white and black card that I keep. I like to stock up on that. This is just random dies. and big shot plates. This is stamps, like larger stamps. Again, I've got them mainly in those pockets that I find from AliExpress. You can get them in different sizes, so I got them the other day. That is flower dies and just bits of like card and some Tim Holtz stickers and stuff. And there is cards and envelopes. That one down there, I've got my go and press foil machine. That's my bag that I take to create my craft. This is all glitter card and watercolour pads and stuff. This is Christmas stamps and Christmas dies. And this is like bigger dies, so it's like Sizzix, and then it's my layering ones and just larger dies really. Oh, and there's a couple ones down there. Now this this is my stash of, well, giveaways, things that I've never opened, duplicates and stuff I do for giveaways, for prizes on my Facebook group and all of that. So that is that. So this is the desk where I will be filming. It's good for the light really, so I've got some drawers down here. Yeah, this is embellishments, just stuff that I haven't really used yet, or just different embellishments and whatnot in there. This is just a bit of nothing really. This is ribbons and things like that. This is like sisal and lace and tulle and all that stuff. This is mainly cellophane bags and my light for my studio lamp, which I'm going to have to move that actually because I don't want that getting broken. So in here I've got just like a little paper storage thing where I just really keep scraps, if I'm honest. That's loads of like mats and chipboard and paper trimmer and stuff. So this is like watercolour stuff, gelatos, some new brushes, glue, another glue gun, glue sticks, which I have enough to last me about 100 years. This is extras, glues, tapes, trimmer blades, just stuff that I haven't opened yet. That is finger dabbers, a Stampin' Up block set. This is Stampin' Up stamps and some wood stamps and stuff. So that there's another layer behind there as well. Yeah, there's like 2 layers. Them are the ones that I keep. So on here I've got, and that stuff I'm working on for the shows next week, I've got an ink pad holder, another big shot. This is where I keep my coloured pencils, watercolour pencils and stuff. Embellishment punches, blocks, I've got some heartfelt stuff there, alcohol markers. I keep like ephemera in these little tubs, they're really handy, these. And then what I do as well is I keep embellishments in them, like little words that I've put out ready. More embellishments, pegs and paper clips, and that's a little mini die cut machine. I got that free actually from a seller on AliExpress. So that's that, and then this desk here is mainly where I work. So I've got another cart, and in this one I decided to keep like inks, embossing powders, Then I've got glue, what do you call that, foil, Gildan flakes. Then I've got, I think that's embossing powders, and then more like Gildan flakes and paint, like paint kind of things. So I thought they would be handy to keep all them in the cart. So then if we go over here, we've got another CALIEX unit under this desk, which I customised myself. So I put some like wheels on it, and I got the extended legs from Ikea. So you can wheel this whole thing in and out. So I probably can't show you there, but that's all artificial flowers in there. These are little MDF drawer units. I've got embellishments in there, and some of these are quite stiff actually, but that's all hot, like foils for the hot foil machine. What's in this one? That is moulds, and I think this is the one that you have to have two hands to open. So I've got a A4 paper MDF unit. Now in here I keep the card that I grab, so like black, white, craft card, you know, just card that I use a lot. And then I've got these A4 drawers here. This is all pockets from AliExpress, and as you can see I've stocked up because I absolutely love them. So that's what I keep in there. This is acetate, and this one is vellums, or different kind of vellums. I got myself a lovely little kind of like bar stool, because this desk is like really high. You can see the difference of like how high it is from the normal one. So I've got 12 by 12 papers in there. That is more A4 paper and the larger big size. This is some 12 by 12 heartfelt, and then this is like 8 by 8 and A4 paper in that one. And then if we come up, I've got my little lamp, which I always have a daylight bulb in. I've got my glue gun out, fold away. This is just a little unit I keep like blending brushes in and different tools and stuff. Oh yeah, and this really cute little bone folder. Then I've got my brushes. I've got some Tim Holtz. I like to use the little mini archival inks. These are brilliant. I like to use them on the flowers I make. They're just really handy. Scissors, but I have never opened or used them yet. I will one day. A tin of some of Tim's Distress crayons. And then I've got another ink unit with my oxides on. I love them pads. And this, I got this from Amazon. This is really cool. It spins round, and I just keep like paint tools, like, you know, stuff for embossing, not embossing, what do you call it, texture paste and stuff, brushes, watercolour brushes, that kind of thing. So I just keep that there. Then I've got some refills for the Distress Oxide. Then I have got those from Ikea. So that's all my Arteza watercolour pens, brushes, pencils like glitter markers and things, brayers, they're all different kinds of brayers, punches, that's my scissors, tools, they are like scoring tools, pokey tools, and Sizzix heat tool. And then I have some border punches just resting on the top of that. Lovely banner, I made that myself last week. Just pictures, just things I've made for like creating craft and stuff. And then the last one, this is an 8 cube unit, which I added drawers and cupboards to, and then I've got another 2 units and then another unit on the top, so it goes like right to the ceiling. I can't get in them ones without a ladder really, but this here is all, well, some of my Sizzix cardstock. I keep it together, and then when I need to make samples, I know that all of that is Sizzix. This is just twine, mica powders. This is glitter, it says on there, another heat tool, punches and like alcohol inks. Then I've got my laminators, and then in here, oh, this one's an empty one, all my notebooks and stuff if I'm going to make traveller's notebooks or whatever. This is stencils. This is like, what is it? It's like paints and Mod Podge, some crackle paint and stuff. I've done that one, yeah. Now this one is kind of like a stock up I keep of just extra supplies. This is jewellery stuff and like the snap brads, elastics, things like that. This one is just my labelling machine and back with chargers and stuff. And then these ones I keep, like the Sizzix texture roll. I'll get this bin out of the way. And just texture roll, and that's my A4 guillotine. And then back to the new drawers I got today. So there's my, oh sorry, there's my pink big shot. This has got like distress oxide sprays. I love them, love them. Now this, obviously I've only got this morning, so I don't have them all full. This one is Heartfelt Creations. Heartfelt Creations. This is like little mini trimmer, scoreboard, fuse tool. And I think, yeah, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drawers to fill, which I'm sure they'll be full in no time. But yeah, I just really wanted to show you because I've been dead excited about it, and I am really happy how it's turned out. It's been a lot of hard work though, because as I said, I've done every bit myself, everything. This was hard build. It's not hard to put together the instructions and stuff, easy. It's just the sheer size of it, like having to, you know, build it up that way. That's what was hard, because it's so big. But yeah, so I hope you think it's as nice as I do, and I'm looking forward to creating in here. It is a lovely light airy space, and that door there is just like an extra kind of, I suppose maybe it's a fire door. We do have another 2 doors in the house, so you know, and it's not hard to get out from there if anything did happen, so I just keep it locked. I don't use it anyway, but it does allow a lot of light in the window, so that's what I like about it. But yeah, so I hope you like it, and I will be back as soon as possible with some videos. I've got some really good ideas, but as I said, I'm at Create and Craft on Tuesday and Thursday, so I'll get them out of the way first. But yeah, thanks for watching, take care, and bye for now.